I've got to get to my granny's funeral.
It's Eve we're making redundant.
What was it you wanted to tell me?
Nothing.
You find these enormous jugs sexy?
Yeah. We're going to move into Granny's lovely cottage. We'll have our lovely baby there. Dad, is everything okay with the cottage?
This new boiler of yours is proving to be a right pig.
Morning, honey. How are you?
Yes, I'm great, thanks, Howard. Yes, I've just read 15 pages of the Gideon's Bible and flicked through Hidden Dorking, 20 things to do in the Dorking area.
Sounds interesting.
Or perhaps we can make our own entertainment, you know, throw a coffin around, blow up a house, sort of thing.
You'll feel better with something inside you.
Where the hell have you been?
Downstairs. Sorted everything out.
Oh, right. You've rethatched and painted the cottage, have you?
No, but I've spoken to the management, and they very kindly agreed to let us stay in the executive suite till the cottage is ready.
Howard, we're not staying here.
It's got a lovely big sofa and a fantastic wardrobe with integrated ironing board.
I'm not being cooped up here for months on end waiting for my cottage to be rebuilt.
No, it won't be months. I had a quick chat with my father. He assures me it'll be 5 weeks tops.
Howard, the baby will be born by then. I'm not giving birth in a roadside lodge.
It's got a trouser press, our own coffee-making facilities, complimentary shampoo.
I'll phone Mum and Dad.
Don't do that.
What?
We'll rent a place. I'll find an apartment.
Well, that could take days.
I'll phone Eve. I'll get her on the case right now.
Oh, what's the point? Mum and Dad are 20 minutes away. They've got tons of space.
Please don't make me go back there.
What?
I can't live with your parents.
Well, it's not for long.
Well, it could be months.
Your father said 5 weeks.
Oh, what does he know?
Howard, we're staying with my parents. That's the end of it.
Look, why don't we go and have another look at the cottage? I mean, maybe it's not as bad as we thought.
We reckon it was a gas leak. One spark from a faulty circuit board and, well, that's what caused the fireball. It all looks worse than it is. 5 weeks we'll have this place sorted.
Yeah, actually, Dad, we were thinking of getting another builder to do the repairs.
What?
We just feel that we've taken up a lot of your time, Ron.
No, I want to finish the job. I'm a professional.
You are a professional. We just think that maybe another professional's input might be what's needed at this point.
You blame me for all this, don't you?
No. Well, I'm not sure blame's the right word.
Tricia's left me.
What?
Last night, I got in and found a note on the fridge door. She'd gone off with Warren.
Who's Warren?
Carpet fitter I use. Bastard done your carpet in the dining room.
Oh, no.
I suspected for a while. Always on her mobile in the garden. Coming home late. Smelling a fresh underlay.
Well, I wouldn't read too much into that.
Last week I saw these carpet burns on her arse. I don't know what went wrong. We had awesome sex. She could do things that seemed to defy gravity.
Well, let's not get into that now.
She was double jointed, you see.
I think we should make a move.
She could squeeze her thighs round my...
Let's hit the road.
Let's.
Let me finish the job. I'll work all hours, I promise. Just... don't you send me packing as well.
What can I say? I thought he was going to kill himself.
Mum, hi, it's Mel. Same message as before. We're on our way, so see you soon. Bye.
Maybe it won't be that convenient to stay there.
They'll be fine.
I'm just a bit worried that, we might get under their feet.
Mum will be thrilled. She can make a fuss of me.
Let's not mention the cottage blowing up.
What?
Not yet. Not until we know the full extent of the damage.
Oh, don't be ridiculous. We've just seen the damage.
Oh, please, honey, not after yesterday and everything.
We can't just not tell them.
Maybe Dad's right. Maybe it can all be fixed really easily. I mean, all you've said is there's a problem with the house.
Howard.
I just think it would be better all round if your parents didn't know about the fire. All.
You want me to lie to my parents?
Is everything all right?
Yes, fine.
We just got your message. Hello, Howard.
What's happened?
Look, I'm just making lunch. Come in and tell me everything.
Well,
Hope you don't mind us stopping with you for a week or two.
So tell me, what's happened?
Oh, let's wait till Howard gets here. Tell everyone at the same time.
You said there was a problem with the house.
Ah,
Well, what?
where's Howard?
Mel?
Well, the problem with the house is that there's a problem with rats.
Rats?
Yes. Some of the rats have died under the floorboards, so they're going to have to lift up the floorboards to take the dead ones away because they're smelling.
Oh, my God.
So the whole place will need fumigating, and that could take a couple of weeks.
Oh, that's wretched luck.
So if it's okay to stay here...
Oh, of course it is. Do you want some soup?
Yes, lovely.
Well, at least it's nothing serious. At least the house hasn't fallen down.
All the electrics?
Yes, I had them checked out by an electrical professional, and in his professional opinion, they're not safe.
My mother lived there for 60 years.
Well, I'll be honest with you, Dick. I simply wasn't prepared to let my wife and unborn baby stay in a place with faulty electrics.
No, well, very sensible.
I'm only doing what any responsible parent-to-be would do.
Yes.
Frankly, it would be irresponsible to ignore the health and safety issues of the electrics with women and children present.
So what did this electrician say was the problem?
Well, something to do with the switches.
Just the switches?
No, and the plugs. You know, the general wiring. I've got some top electricians working on it round the clock.
Lunch.
I wish you could tell me precisely what the problem is.
Well, it's very technical, Dick. Hasn't the weather been lovely?
It's been raining, Howard.
Has it? Oh, there you go. Bloody global warming.
Maybe I should go over this afternoon and check out these electrics myself.
There's no point, Dick. The electricians aren't actually there at the moment. Where do you stand on global warming, Dick?
I thought you said they were working around the clock.
Yes, well, they start working around the clock tomorrow. Today they're just working a little bit round the clock. Are you worried about global warming, Angela?
Mel was telling me about the rats.
Rats?
Yeah, you know, the dead rats underneath the floorboards. The fumigation that's happening.
Sorry, what's all this about rats?
Oh, there are some dead rats that have got trapped underneath the floorboards and they need taking away before we can move in.
The electricians think that the rats might have been killed by the faulty wiring.
I'm not with you.
Well, as the rats run along underneath the floorboards, they brush against the dangerous electrics and get an electric shock.
So, are the electricians getting rid of the rats?
Yes. It's not strictly their job, but because the deaths of the rats were electricity-related, they are going to... Pretty sorry, I've got to get this. Nicola?
Howard, I need to talk to you about Cordelia.
Yeah?
She's made an accusation of sexual harassment against you.
What?
She claims you sent her an obscene text message.
You said you couldn't wait to get your hands on her jugs.
Her jugs?
Yes, Howard.
Breasts, bosoms, tits.
That message, that was meant for my wife.
Well, under current legislation...
And our own corporate guidelines, I have to take any accusation such as this seriously, which is why I'm going to have to launch an inquest.
An inquest?
I think you'd better pop in.
I've got Tony Greaves from head office here all afternoon. Shall we say 4?
No, there's no need to bring head office into it.
I'll expect you at 4.
And I take it you've spoken to Eve about her redundancy.
What?
You have informed Eve we're making her redundant.
Yes, I did that yesterday.
I'll see you at 4 then.
Right.
Excuse me, is Mr. Cook in?
Yeah. Wow, what happened to your windows?
Well, that's what I'm here for. The people he's letting his cottage to blew it up last night. Smashed every window in our house. They didn't even come over and apologise. I want to know what he's going to do about it.
I'm afraid it's not a good time. Mr. Cook had a stroke last night. His voice box is... it's gone. In fact, it's completely sort of... gone. But my name's Howard Steele. I look after all Mr. Cook's affairs. Yes, my office is a little bit out of the way. After you.
Yep.
Do go through. Make yourself at home. It's a bit belt and braces at the moment, but we like it. Actually getting broadband in quite shortly. Firstly, may I say on behalf of Mr. Cook how sorry I am for the explosion. I'm afraid the builder we've used is quite frankly an idiot.
I just sat down to my dinner. The next minute I was picking shards of glass out of my mashed potato.
Well, I'm sure Mr. Cook would want you compensated appropriately.
Well, I did a quick calculation based on figures supplied by my brother-in-law, who's in the trade, and we're talking in terms of £5,000 to £6,000.
What? For a few windows? I don't think Mr. Cook's going to pay that.
Maybe I should talk to Mr. Cook directly then.
Why don't I write you a cheque right now?
Is he likely to be much longer?
I'm sure he'll be back soon.
I've microwaved the soup.
Let's not let it get cold again.
I'm afraid we're going to have to dash off straight after lunch, Mill. We've got to go to town to pick up your father's suit for tomorrow.
Of course, the palace. With all the excitement, I'd nearly forgotten.
Such a shame Granny didn't live to see it all. A CBE.
I know.
You know, we sent out 98 invitations to the party on Saturday, and we've only had 2 refusals. One's at a conference in Brazil, and the other's in intensive care.
After you. Must get that fixed. Anyway, I'm glad we managed to sort that out.
Well, thank you for being so understanding.
Oh, don't mention it.
It's good that these things can be resolved amicably.
Yes, well, you've got my mobile number. Feel free to contact me directly if anything else comes up. I'll be only too glad to help.
Thank you. Could I just use your loo before I go?
No, I'm afraid that won't be possible.
I beg your pardon?
Mr. Cook, he's very particular about who uses his toilet facilities. He operates a strictly family-only policy. You much of a gardener?
I mow the lawn. That's about it.
Because there's been talk of cutting these hedges back and planting some fruit trees. Oh, sorry.
I suppose he'll turn up at some point.
Right, well, thank you for letting me, I'll be off.
In a minute.
Huh?
Just hang on here for a minute.
I've really got to go.
Tell me about your lawn.
I've got another appointment.
In a second.
Did you hear something, Angela?
No, get in, Dick. We'll be late for the fitting.
You're bloody mad! You bloody madman! You freak!
Thanks again.
Howard, you just can't go attacking our new neighbours.
Well, he was going to tell your father about the cottage.
What are you doing?
Oh, that was Nicola on the phone. Something really urgent's come up at work.
What is it?
Someone at the office has made an accusation of sexual harassment.
That's terrible.
Yeah.
Well, I hope they sack the bastard. Who is it?
They don't know. That's why I've got to go into the office, to try and sort this bloody mess out. Sorry, do you mind?
Well, make sure you're back for dinner by 7. Mum's doing her spaghetti vongole.
Is that the one with the clams?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
I know.
Look, why don't I take your parents out for a meal instead?
Really?
Yeah, it could be my treat, as a sort of thank you for putting us up at such short notice. I mean, is there somewhere good locally?
Yeah. Well, I'll have a think.
Thanks. See you at 7.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Cordelia, this is Howard. Howard Steele. You have to understand...
I don't want to get my hands on your jugs. That's the last thing on my mind. I mean, not that you haven't got... Look, that text was meant for my wife. It wasn't meant for you. Please understand that. Could you call me before this all gets completely out of hand?
Howard! Wasn't expecting you today.
No, neither was I.
How's the new house?
Superb, yes. Much lighter an area than I remembered, but then that might have something to do with the absence of a roof.
A roof?
Don't ask.
Your mail? Oh, and I've cleared Dom's desk and put it in a box for you. Do you want to check through it, or shall I just throw it out?
Leave it with me. Any sign of Cordelia?
No, she was in earlier, had a chat with Nicola and was sent home. Oh, very upset, in floods of tears. Mandy thinks she might have been given the chop. Well, there are rumours of redundancies still to come.
Yes, Eve. Look, on that subject...
Good news about my hip, though. I've decided to go private, and I've got an appointment with a consultant this afternoon. Well, I thought, I've got a steady job, I might as well pay. That's a beauty of job security.
Yeah. Look...
Howard, are you ready?
Yes.
Let me just go and find Tony. Eve, would you mind sorting out some teas, chamomile for me? Tony, have you met Howard before?
No, I don't think so. Hello, Howard.
Oh, hello, Tony. I thought you'd be a woman.
I was just updating Tony about Eve. You must have handled it very sensitively. Her redundancy. Well done. She seems very chirpy.
Yes. Well, I do try to be a sensitive man manager. And woman manager. Basically, that message was meant for my wife. Cordelia obviously put her surname, Melville, into my mobile, and when I dialed, I was one name out. Melville, Mel.
I'm sorry about this, Howard, but we do have to take this kind of thing very seriously indeed. We had a case last year where a man kept putting photographs of his penis on his secretary's desk diary.
Well, I'd never do anything like that. I have the utmost respect for women.
What's that noise? There's a noise coming from your desk.
Yes, I noticed that. That's my electric shaver. I keep one here for emergencies. So, are we done here?
Do you want to switch it off?
Not really.
What?
Battery will go any minute.
Howard?
All right.
So, was that the first and only time you sent Cordelia a text message?
Yes. I never had her number till yesterday.
Right. Sorry, could I borrow one of your pens?
Pens? Haven't got any pens.
I think you just put some in your drawer.
No, I don't think so.
In your top drawer?
No.
I'll show you.
No, you won't.
What?
I don't want you to have one of my pens.
Right. OK, well, we'll leave things there then. I will be taking this further. I would like you to attend an official hearing on Friday afternoon.
What's got into you?
People are always taking my pens.
Howard, I don't think you realise how serious this is. And you're not helping your case by pissing off the group head of human resources. Could you go and get Eve, please?
What, now?
Yes. We need to take her through the terms of her redundancy package.
Oh, don't worry. I'll do that.
No, I'd like to do it personally. Come on, I've only got 5 minutes.
Sorry, wrong door. Eve, are you in here?
Excuse me, we're out of paper in here. Would you mind? Hello? Thank you. Do you need it back or have you got enough?
Got enough?
Sorry?
Got enough?
Are you all right?
Yes.
Sorry about all that business over the pens.
It's not like Howard at all. I have to get back to head office. Do you say there's something else you wanted to cover while I'm over here?
Oh, yes. I'm afraid it involves Howard Steele again. But I can't seem to find him. Let me see if I can track him down. Howard?
Yes? I was just looking for you. Nice coat.
Thank you.
Is it waterproof, or do you find... Tell you what, about earlier in the loos, see, I was looking for Eve because I knew how keen you were to settle the matter. You do understand that, don't you? Obviously, I wasn't in there because, because I wanted to see women, you know, or even...
Eve?
Where on earth have you been? We've been looking all over for you.
Hospital.
Well, I wish you'd let me know you were off gallivanting around hospitals all afternoon.
I told you earlier on I had an appointment.
Well, it's not good enough. Nicola's a busy woman. She hasn't got time to be messed about.
I know Howard's had a chat with you, and we want to give you all the support we can.
Oh, thank you, Nicola.
I know it's come as a shock.
Not really. It happened to my sister at the same age. The doctor's confident I'll be fine after a few weeks' rest. That's the thing.
Yes, but it's been a tough day. Why don't I give you a lift home? I'm sure Nicola doesn't want to spend the rest of her evening in reception. Shall we touch base tomorrow, Nicola?
Not changed yet?
I'm going right now.
I've booked Lorenzo's in Weybridge.
Oh, that's splendid.
It's Howard's idea, all this. He's very excited about your CBE, you know.
Is he?
Yes. He really likes you, Dad. He's always going on about how much he... likes you. And you like him, don't you?
What time's the table booked?
He does mean well, Dad. He just seems to be dogged by bad luck whenever he's around you.
I wouldn't call him breaking my telescope bad luck.
He didn't do it on purpose.
The ring of Venus is 168,000 miles away. Why did he have to get 4 inches closer?
Do you ever think, Eve, how fantastic it is to live in a country with full employment?
Never really occurred to me.
Well, the economy's thriving. Plenty of jobs for older people, you know, if they get made redundant.
Frank Hollis is still out of work. It's been 2 years now.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure Frank had the ideal set of skills for this day and age. Whereas, you know, computer skills, good telephone technique. Anyone with that background is quite frankly laughing these days.
Frank's not laughing. He got so depressed about not finding work, he started drinking, and then I was glue sniffing.
You know, I think people in their 50s should look on the idea of losing their job as an opportunity to try something new.
Oh, I'd hate to do that.
Well, do you know what? You're going to have to, because you're being made redundant.
What?
I'm really sorry. It wasn't meant to come out like that.
Me?
Oh, no, please, no tears.
Oh, why me?
I don't know. Blame Nicola. Look, please don't cry.
This is the worst thing that's ever happened to me.
Oh, God.
Howard shouldn't be long.
Good, I'm starving.
It's not often we go out these days, is it, Dick? It's quite a treat for me not to cook.
Absolutely.
My life's not worth living.
No, don't say that. That's...
It's so fudging unfair.
Look, how about I talk to Nicola? Hey? Let's see if I can do anything to convince her to keep you on.
Oh, Howard.
Can I help you?
I hope so.
Do you like to play alone, or can others join in?
What are you talking about?
Eve? Moira? Well, I never would have thought. You are a dark horse, Eve. May we? This is my husband, Terry.
Pleased to meet you both.
Hello.
Howard, this is Moira. We see each other on the car boot sales circuit.
Right.
You never know what you're going to pick up, do you, Eve?
God, it's hot in here.
Excuse me.
Where did you find young Howard, then?
Excuse me. Could you stop that, Moira?
Am I getting you overexcited, Howard?
What?
Come on, we haven't got all night.
Come on, Howard.
Eve, would you tell your friends to put their clothes on and get out of my car?
Hi, honey. Are you close? Everyone's getting rather peckish. Phone when you pick this up. Bye. Sure, it won't be long.
Dogging? I wasn't dogging.
Of course not, sir. Do you normally pull into car parks and invite complete strangers into the back of your car?
I wouldn't do it with that lot.
Takes all sorts, sir.
Look, this is ridiculous. I'm supposed to be taking my in-laws for dinner tonight.
Your name, please.
Hollis. Frank Hollis.
Well, I think I'll turn in.
Huh?
Coming to bed, Angela.
Oh, God, yes.
Will you switch the lights off, Mel?
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up. No point in getting shy now. You're all going to be all over the local papers. Oi!
Look, I've done nothing wrong. Will you let go?
Stop stalking me!
Please don't tell Dick.
Mickey, no!